expectation from the Institute of Product Leadership workshop was to understand the entire productizing process that goes into building a product.
Was to learn about the various concepts related to product management, the skills required to go there, whether it interests me or not. I also wanted to see if that is what that is the passion I have.
Helped me to understand not only the engineering aspects of product management, but also techniques to, let's say, build a strategy, then take the strategy and put it forth towards investors, building and delivering the solution or the product. In turn, also to do a lot of market analysis, understand marketing techniques.
I was surprised to see almost like 5 areas, market analysis, strategic planning, product planning, sales enablement, and going to the market, which is again spanning to almost like 25 areas. And I kind of do not have this
understanding on how various functions within an organization works together to make a successful product. The whole product prioritizing process, right from conceptualization to maintenance to launch and ultimately to retirement of the product.
Program given by Professor Shah, it was very simple and very effective, and it is very practically applicable to my profession. Exercises they have given, they were very good and very practical, and at the end of this session, the examination they have conducted was very good.
The 3-day workshop has helped me understand the items and the processes that I need to put my efforts into to become a better product manager and to have a bigger impact for my product. Also, it's also equipped me with some of the tools and frameworks that I can use on a daily basis.
It gave me an insight into the complete productization process. The wheel is what I will remember for a long time.
And how a product is built, what goes behind the scenes, right from this time we do market analysis till about the time we deliver the product.
Plus, it allows you to connect with like-minded people. It gives you that kind of that extra boost also to follow your passion, where you want to go, and reevaluate your own self, where you stand and where you want to go.
The other aspects involved in product management which would help them grow, let's say, one level up in their leadership skills.
These are very interactive, and we cover a lot of areas with a lot of examples which we can relate to our real life.
To interact with a lot of industry folks who come from different spheres of the industry, to understand their problems and their pain points, and also learn how to deal with these problems.